What is going on, fam? This is Joel with Into My GT Entertainment with a quick little upgrade to my Mustang today. We are installing a separate reservoir for the clutching system in here, and it's made by Shelby. It's right here. It comes with all the necessary parts. These are the tools you're going to need besides a rag and the fluid. So like I said, it's a 10mm socket, and you'll see how that works out here in a minute. The reason why we are separating it is with Fords this particular year anyway. I think this kit is for 2011 and up. What they do is they use the same reservoir for the brake and the clutch itself. And that right there is the clutch cable that feeds into the wall. Then you see the braided line. It goes out, and that goes down to the transmission. So what happens is when you use this car for track day or racing applications, you're fighting against the two. So if you're at track day and you're going around corners or whatever, your clutch brake, you're going to have brake fade because of the two fighting against each other. And then also with the clutch itself too, it might not feel as responsive because you're using the brake at the same time. So we're going to prevent that now by separating the two. It says it shouldn't take very long to do, so we're going to go ahead and knock it out real fast and see what happens. So we'll catch you in a few minutes and go by the step by step. All right, see you in a bit. All right guys, first thing that you want to do is right down there, let's see if I can point right here, there's a bolt, 10mm bolt. You want to loosen that up. And then right here, I don't have really good lighting at the moment, but there's a hole right here. Let me see if I can get you some lighting. Hold on. All right guys, the first thing that you need to do is, you see that bolt right down there in between the two? Let's see if I get my finger right there. You need to loosen that up and take the nut off. And then right here, there's a bracket that slips in. So you can use that hole to put a bolt into also. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And then the next step is right here. You have to undo that. I have to put a bunch of rags in here to make sure that it doesn't go flying everywhere. But you wanna unattach that, and then we'll start adding it to the next one. I'll show you what you need to do here in 1 second. All right guys, as you can see, the nut is off there, and the little bracket thing is there. So now the next step is we have to take that off, this hose right here. And they come with a little stopper, which is right here. And then this goes over the stopper, and that seals off that side. And then a side note is, off that firewall, I might have said it was a 10mm. That is a 13. That is a 10. So that's where that's gonna go. So let me go ahead and put rags up in here and get that off, and we'll get to the next step. All right guys, as you can see that we have everything put back in. You got the bolt put in, and a little bit more right, bolt right there, which holds up the bracket, and then the one that goes right here. And then, like I said, you got to put the clamp back on, and then put your fluid in. Go pump your clutch a few times, and hopefully you'll have a good day. So let me go ahead and put some fluid in there, and remember to always use your .3 fluid. So we'll see you in a minute. All right guys, there it is. It's filled up, and then right there under the collar, that's how you can adjust the top to make it line up right. So there you go, that's what it looks like. So now you have your brake and your clutch. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit. We'll close it out in 1 second. Well, there you go guys, it's done. No leaks. The clutch feels amazing now. And the brakes feel a little bit more responsive, because I guess it's not sharing. I don't know. But like I said, every application is different. You know, I'm running 700 horsepower, so it runs on the vacuum system a lot, and so like I said, I think this is a better way for me. But if you ever want to check it out, it works great. I usually don't advertise for other people and stuff, but Like I said, the Shelby system, the dual, it seems to work great for the first few minutes. So we'll go ahead and run it for a while, and we'll go with that. If we have any problems, we'll come back to this video. If not, it's a great buy, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, peace. Well, there you go, guys. It's a quick little install. It doesn't take really too much to do, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do it. The biggest part is just making sure that that's tight right there, and that you get this squared away, because like I said, when it comes a little crooked, as you saw earlier, but you just hit that little set screw at the bottom, and you can twist it where you want. No leaks, and it seems to be working good. So I hope you enjoyed this little install. I know it's quick and easy, but I'll have some stuff coming to do here at some point. So stay tuned, and we'll catch that on a different day. Peace, and have a good one.